In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started by opening Adobe InDesign and loading the document you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new document with the page size you need so your image lands exactly where you expect. Keeping your images organized in a dedicated project folder will make the process smoother and help you avoid broken links later. At the top left of the screen, go to the File menu. From there, choose Place. Place is the correct professional way to bring images into InDesign. It keeps your layout clean and your file size is manageable because InDesign links to the image rather than pasting it directly into the document. When the file browser opens, navigate to the image you want to use. InDesign supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD. Select your file and preview it if your system allows, just to confirm you've got the right one. Then click Open. Your cursor will change to a loaded graphic icon showing that the image is ready to be placed. Now you have two simple ways to add it to your page. If you click once on the page, InDesign will place the image at its native size inside a frame. If you click and drag, you'll draw a frame and scale the image to fit that frame as you release the mouse. This is a great way to control the size and proportion on the fly. If it lands a bit off, don't worry, you can always adjust it right after placing. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac to open the same place dialog. Browse to your image, click Open, and then click or drag on the page to add it just like before. Once the image is on the page, use the selection tool to move the frame, resize it by dragging the handles, and refine the composition. To scale the picture inside the frame proportionally, hold Shift while dragging or use Object Fitting and choose Fit Content proportionally. If the preview looks a little soft while you work, go to View Illustrated Display Performance. High quality display for a sharper view. Remember that InDesign links to your image by default. If you move or rename the original file, you'll need to relink it in the Links panel. Keeping your assets in one folder with your document helps prevent issues. That's it. You've successfully placed an image in InDesign with full control over size and position. Save your document, and you're ready to continue designing.